Okay, so before we do the last problem, I want to show you number 3 again and another way you can approach it, and you may like this way better. So another way to approach number 3 of 9 times the square root of 3 over the square root of 24. You can simplify what is inside the radicals just like regular division if you would like. Okay, so if I simplify this, I know that 3 goes into itself with 1, and the square root of 1 is 1, so this becomes 9. And I know that 3 goes into 24 8 times, so now I have 9 divided by the square root of 8. I know that 8 has a perfect square factor of 4, so this becomes 9 over the square root of 4 is 2 square root of 2. It's still not all the way simplified because you have a radical in the denominator, but all you have to do is multiply by that square root to eliminate it, and you end up with, in the numerator, 9 times the square root of 2. You can't combine those because one's a radical and one is not. Divided by 2 times the square root of 4. You do multiply those, and the square root of 4 is 2. So now you have 2 times 2, which is 4. So you get the same answer. So that's a second method for solving number 3. Okay, let's look at this last one together. Number 4. The square root, it's a mixed number of 3 3/7 times the square root of 2 1/3. First of all, I want to take it out of mixed number into improper fraction. So that's going to be 7 times 3 plus 3 is 24/7 times the square root of 7/3. Okay, so we can do some cross canceling of this just like we would if the radical wasn't on there. So I see that I can cross cancel 7 and 7, those are 1s. 3 goes into itself once and into 8, or 24 8 times. So we get 8 times 1 is 8, the square root of 8, over 1 times 1 is 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 8 is not in simplest form. I can break that down to 4 times 2. 4 is a perfect square, so we get 2 square root of 2. Okay, as always, reach out to me if I can help you with anything, but I will post your homework assignment for this lesson, and you will be having a quiz next class over lesson 11.3 through 11.7. All right, have a good day.